my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it.
You are serving Biafra. You think you love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu more than anybody. You don't. You absolutely don't. And some of you are ignorant of this struggle. Some of you don't know nothing. You don't know anything. You don't know what is going on. A lot has gone wrong. And a lot continue to go wrong. A lot has gone wrong. A lot continue to go wrong. All of you, some of you are just too blind, following everything blindly. And one thing that doesn't, some people are just so ignorant that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is demanding for 100 men, you are not worried. You are not worried. You are proud to say that our leader just need 100 men. You don't want to be part of that 100 men. You are not ashamed. All of you are not ashamed. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, from 70 million Biafrans, came out to say he need only 100 men. From millions of people, and you are not part of that 100 men. And it doesn't bother you. It doesn't bother you. You don't even know when the 100 men comes. You don't even know when to identify one of the 100 men when you see them. Because you are not part of the 100 men. You are not, and you can never be one of the 100 men. But it doesn't bother you. No credit now. It doesn't bother you. You are proud. When our leader say he need 100 men to restore Biafra, and you are parading it. But you are not part of the 100 men. You are not. Including some of those who are now fighting the people that are fighting the struggle for them. They are not part of the 100 men. They are not. And they can never be. So whose interest are you protesting? Or whose interest are you protecting? Protesting against me, whose interest are you protecting? Are you protecting the interest of the 100 men? Or are you protecting the interest of the multitude? Huh? Some of you don't have sense. We need to open your head and put brain. Maybe brain of monkey. Because monkey is a very smart animal. We put the brain of monkey. So that whenever you get something, collecting it from you will be difficult. So that when somebody give you a cup to drink water, when the person want to collect that cup, it will become a problem. Yes. My secretary said that some people, they are selling on credit. They are selling on credit. No, it's really, it is so worrisome, very, very worrisome, that Biafra people are parading themselves all over social media, constituting nuisance. This one said this one said that. But 100 men is what is needed, and you are saying it. You are parading it, and you don't want to be part of the 100 men. And you cannot be part of the 100 men. From almost 70 million Biafran, you agree to that saying of our leader. Have you seen it? Do you see it? And those who are not 100 men, who can never be 100 men, they are, when they identify that somebody may be part of that 100 men, they want to bring the person down. But you know what? If you are part of that 100 men, that is what you will be. And I have come I said, Simon Ekpa will be the last person you are going to fight in IPOB. I will end it. That jealousy, that primitive ingenuity, that primitive and the inferiority complex, smelling everywhere. After you fight me, finish, I will end it. It is going to end in my own case. $100 men is needed. You are not one of them. You have been in the struggle for 10 years, and so what? We have multitude of people, but they say 100 men is needed. Only 100 men. You are not one of them. You are not. Your actions and the attitude, body language, and everything you do suggest you are not one of them. Because if you are one of them, you will not be constituting nuisance on social media. Some people say that those that our leader mentioned their name, they have all failed. Somebody is saying it. That all the people that our leader mentioned their name on social media, that they have all failed. Now, that person that is saying that thing, go and check his activities on this struggle. Check his activities. What have he contributed to the struggle of Biafra? If you talk, they will open mouth. What is his contribution? Nothing. Only constituting nuisance and stabbing other Biafra fighters at their back. When I will come out for you, if I decided at the end of the day to face you, if I decide to face you, oh my God, may God help us. If I decide to face you, I will face you personally. And then after that, you know who you are toiling with. Some of you don't know me. None of you know me. I don't know you. I don't know you. You don't know me. But this tiger that is sleeping, that you all want to wake up from your primitivity. This tiger that is sleeping, that you all want to wake up. Do you know why this tiger is not going to wake up? The tiger is not going to wake up because I know that all of you are fake scammers hiding under IPOB, scamming people online in the name of Anonymous. That is what is eating you up, because I stopped your finance from coming. I stopped your money. I stop your money from coming. You are hiding under Biafra, hiding under IPOB leadership, and you are piloting criminals, gang of scammers and internet fraudsters everywhere. I stop your coming. I stop your finance from coming, and I will stop it. And I will stop it, and I will continue to stop it. I have come to this struggle, and there is no going back. There is nothing you can do. Nothing. There is not Amos Remike. There is nothing you can do to Simon Ekpa. Absolutely nothing. But do you know what I'm going to do? Do you know what I'm going to do? I am Sabo. Yes. And I will be Sabo. But you know what? I will be Sabo to the Biafra struggle. Let me tell you. You see that your scam that I have destroyed through Anonymous, I will destroy it again. The day I am going to remember you again, the day I will remember you, after dealing with you and dealing with your criminal syndicate, you will never talk again. I will make sure you don't eat for another 2 weeks. Everywhere they are shouting, now they are paying money to people. Who cares? I want you to release all the people of your internet cyber criminals to come to Simon Ekpa. And if you have not learned your lesson now, my brother, you can never learn again. You can never learn again. If I wake up to face you individually, you that is part of DOS, personally that is attacking me, if I wake up to begin to face you, if I face you, I will face you individually. I'm not going to face you as DOS. I will face you individually. Abongi kanu. Bogi kanu. You cannot come and every day Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa. And you are not part of the 100 men. That is what is paining me. This is our secretary, the Bunyem, or the Bunyem here. He said, are they put sound for the Agare? Yes. Are they put sound for the Agare? If I begin to catch you one after the other, abomu nukano na bunu bokasu na bokas. Okay, the you hide under IPOB, set up internet fraudsters in the name of Anonymous. You'll be passing information to them. Biafra is coming. Nigeria is doing this. Nigeria is doing that. Go and bomb Abuja. They are coming to bomb Abuja, and the Anonymous will dish it out. And our brothers and sisters are falling victim of this idiot. And then when I come to finish them, to end their business, they are now all over me. Everybody is Simon Ekpa. Everywhere is Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa. Nobody is talking about Biafra again. In fact, they are now begging me to leave IPOB. How can I leave IPOB? Are you the owner of IPOB? You are not comfortable that I'm in IPOB. I will be in IPOB and I will end your scam. Muage end there. I will end it. That criminal you have been committing crime everywhere. I will end it in this IPOB. Everybody, Simon Ekpa, leave. Forget IPOB. Leave IPOB now and start your own. They are begging me, the people who are fighting for Biafra, begging me to leave IPOB. Leave IPOB for who? For you? You will leave IPOB for people who are genuine. You are going to leave IPOB. Light and darkness cannot stay. This is our secretary, the Buye. Okay? Somebody say, what is my mission? My mission is to help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to restore Biafra. That is my mission. My mission is to help IPOB to restore Biafra. That is my mission. My mission is to help Biafrans, genuine people to restore Biafra. That is my mission. I have no other mission other than helping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to restore Biafra. How can you tell me to go and start mingling with idiots, scammers? Leave IPOB. You must stop talking about IPOB. My madness, you people don't know me. Oh. Go and ask question. Oh. I have told you, before you start to attack me, go to Dibia. Go to Dibia and ask the Dibia question about me. Go to Dibia. Go to ROC. Go and consult ROC. Those ROC that you go and ask them question. Before you go and put your hand in something that will finish you. If you want to continue to attack me, go to the people that are doing jiu-jitsu to you. Go and ask them, should we continue to attack this guy? And if they tell you to go ahead, you go at your own detriment. Somebody is saying enough, Simon, we should move on. No. You should go to those people and tell them enough. Not always when I want to talk. You come and tell me enough. No, I am not our leader. I am not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I can never be him. Obajo Obosoge Jumunisi like this. I will open fire. I said it again. If you want to know, if before you attack me, go to native doctor. Ask the native doctor whether you should be attacking this guy. Because when I will open my mouth, when I will start my own, I know that is the one everybody, when I will start my own, Ogadewu, I want to make it very, I am sitting at home for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is Tuesday, 21st of September. I am sitting at home comfortably. I slept till I just like almost 30 minutes ago. I woke up 30 minutes ago. For the very first time, I slept very long.
I wish this issue could have just been well taken care of. It would have been a great thing, a great plan, and everybody would be happy. But as it is now, we don't even know from the left to the right, from the middle to the corner. And I just hope that, hey, Simon Ekpa, please don't open your mouth to talk. It is okay. It is okay, since you are doing the work and everybody appreciates you. They know what you are doing and they know that you are really trying. I wish you can just work together with DOS. By now would have gone far. But I still pray that whatsoever that is in between will be wiped out in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, my wonderful family, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress here on YouTube, and I bring the news to you as fast and as quick as I can. This is another interesting one again that I want every one of us to watch together. And don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section. You know what this channel is all about. We react to all videos and we analyze any video at all. All right, my wonderful family, thank you very much for your love and support towards this channel. I'm so grateful. And if you know you have been enjoying all this and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For now, bye.